Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Huawei Y7 Prime 2018 to other Huawei smartphone, you have to for the first get the application to transfer data. So let's go for the Play Store, tap on the search, type here CLONEit and get this application. Right now I can open it because I just got it on both devices. It's totally free, you don't have to pay for it, and it's really easy to use. You are going to see it right now. So let's click sender on Y7 and receiver on this other Huawei smartphone. Click search again. Right now they are looking for each other, and if you got any permission accepts, like for the location or for the storage, just accept it. There is what this application required. Click on this Android share icon, and as you can see we have two ways to connect. We can input the password, this one, manually, if you have any problem with your camera on the second smartphone, but also we can scan the QR code with the camera, so let's do it. Accept the request, and right now if you want to send everything, just click on all of these icons and then click start. But if you want to only get some details, click here, and for example I take this Marvel photo, so click OK, and it's finished. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!